Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and this video is all about Google Workspace. Google is known for periodically and strategically rebranding. So what is Google Workspace? Essentially, it's G Suite rebranded. Here's what it means for you. G Suite launched in 2016, but Google has already seen a need to rebrand it in 2020. As more and more of us are working from home, Google really wanted to ensure that we look at the entire Google ecosystem, or what was G Suite, as our new all-encompassing workspace, hence the name Google Workspace. Now, they're slowly rolling out all of these features of Workspace to everyone. So if you don't have these features yet, don't worry, you'll get them. So obviously, the first thing you'll notice with Google Workspace is that rebrand. Your icons have a new cohesive look to them. Gmail, Gcal, Drive, Docs, and Meet have all been rebranded and feature the four same colors: blue, red, yellow, and green. And that's to act as a visual cue that each of these apps work hand in hand together. But that's really just scratching the surface of what Workspace is. So as you may know, G Suite was already an integration of your suite of Google apps, all working together. But under Workspace, Google's taking that user experience to the next level. So they're hoping to streamline your workflow even further by adding all the communication apps under the Gmail umbrella. Essentially, this enables you to get more done from your Gmail window, or one window, rather than opening multiple tabs. So here's an example. There are some changes to your chat window in Gmail. You can now create a doc right from your chat window in Gmail and then share it with your team right from this same window too. This is a huge collaboration update. But updates can be found in your docs, sheets, and slides too. So you'll be able to preview links now that open up in a little pop-out, so you don't have to leave the tab you're on in order to view that link. There will also be a picture-in-picture Meet functionality in docs, sheets, and slides. So you can have a meet while working on a doc, sheet, or slide, which is extremely handy for collaborations with the team in real time going over a presentation. And lastly, you can mention someone directly in the doc just to quickly assign a task to a teammate without even interrupting your workflow. So obviously I'm using Google sources for a lot of these visuals, and that's because, like I said, not all of these features have rolled out to Workspace users yet. But there is something to keep in mind. If you have a free Google account, you're also going to have those rebranded logos. You should have the rebrand logos by now, but you're not going to have these collaboration features, at least not yet. And that's because, keep in mind, Google Workspace is a rebrand of G Suite, which is a paid Google service. So I'm curious, do you have any new features of Google Workspace yet? If you do, what are your favorite features? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for even more Google content. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.